Hey guys, welcome back to TK Rev Studio, and today I have a professional podcast microphone that was sent to me by TzAudios, and link in the description to check them out and the product. Before we dive into the unboxing, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming tech reviews. Now, let's take a closer look at the TzStellar X3. Certificate warranty in the box included. I'll leave the specs on the screen. First off, everything comes in a really nice aluminum. Hard shell storage case for some reason. You also get a leather storage bag for the microphone, a foam windscreen for the TzStellar X3, 5/8 to 3/8" screw for stand, and comes with a shock mount. And the TzStellar X3 is looking nice and clean. About the microphone, it is pretty nice feeling. It has an all-metal body as well as a fine firm metal. Pass filter and a negative 10 dB pad. The logo on the front of the microphone is actually a metal. Mesh grill, you have a 30mm capsule. On the front of the mic, you have two switches, a high. You move around the microphone, there is nothing else on the mic. On the bottom of the mic you will find the XLR port. Do testing in the US and California if I'm not mistaken. But correct me if I'm wrong then. As far as the specs, this mic has a cardioid polar pattern, a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. And it is relatively flat, a sensitivity of around -33 dB. An impedance of 110 ohms itself, noise of only 8 dB, a max SPL of 135 dB, and a phantom power requirement of 48 volts. Okay, now I'll be showing you how to set this up. With the XLR mixer and XLR cable, here's the Elgato Wave XLR box, and it's got that signature Elgato sleek design. I love their packaging. Now, let's open it up. Now, I'm going to set this up and test it, but before I do, let me share my first impressions. The Elgato Wave XLR looks fantastic. It's got that modern and minimalistic design that Elgato is known for. The materials feel premium, and I'm already impressed with the build quality. have some cables, including a USB-C cable, a 3.5mm cable. We have the Elgato Wave XLR itself, and I have to say, it feels solid in the hands, really nice build quality. Link in the description for all of these products. This is the price for this setup. Okay, now I'll show you how to hook this up with a PC or laptop. Make sure your laptop or computer has extra USB cables. Not like this Mac. I have to use this tool for USB. Here's how you connect an XLR condenser microphone to your computer. iPhone or iPad. First, you'll need an audio interface that has XLR inputs and 48-volt phantom power. Connect the audio interface to your computer. Connect the microphone to the audio interface with an XLR cable for an iPhone or iPad with a lightning port. You'll need a USB adapter, usually cat-led camera adapter, and you may need a powered USB hub if your audio interface is bus powered. Connect the microphone to the audio interface with an XLR cable. Then adjust input gain for proper level. Okay, now let's put this microphone to the test. Now I'm using the TzAudios X3 microphone. And let's do an ASMR Minecraft gaming. And I have the Elgato Wave XLR here. TzAudios X3, it's definitely a professional podcast, Mike. You could hear all of my clicking and the gameplay smooth as heck. Don't forget to subscribe for future tech reviews. And if you like this video, please comment, subscribe.